Hi, welcome to this WordPress development course. And in this section, we're going to learn all about WordPress theme development. And we're also going to learn what are the tools required to get it started with WordPress theme development in general. Not only that, we're also going to install a WordPress website locally so that we can create our first WordPress theme. So let's get started with it. So just like any other development, for WordPress theme development, you need a development environment. For that, you can use your live server or you can use your local PC for creating a local environment. In general, WordPress recommends you to use a local environment for creating your themes because it's more flexible, it gives you speed, and you don't have to rely on a remote server to work with. You can use tools like Xampp, and I'll give you a complete list that can turn your PC into a local environment for WordPress development. You can check them out, but in this course, we're generally going to use Xampp. It's an amazing tool, and I'll show you how you can download it and install it and get started with it. So let's get started with downloading Xampp for our development environment. For that, you can go to google.com and just type Xampp, and that's it. Then now click on the first link, and you could now download for Xampp for Windows, Linux, and macOS. I'm just going to download it for Windows. Click on it, and your download will start in 0 minutes. I have already downloaded Xampp, so I'm not going to download it again. I'll show you how you can install it. So once you have downloaded Xampp, it's time to install it. For that, I'm just going to go to its file and run it as administrator. It's going to ask you for some basic permission, just give it, and then wait for the installation. I have already installed Xampp, so I'm not going to do it again. Or it's going to be simple procedure. Just click on next, and here you can change the name or keep it as. For me, I have that you name it as Xampp 1. You can also do that. You can click on next, and it will start the installation. For me, I have already installed it, so it's doing an error. How you can check if your installation have been successfully completed? For that, you just need to go inside your C drive. Here, you will have the C folder name as you just created. For me, it was Xampp 1. For you, it would be simply Xampp, or you are like you're following me, it could be Xampp for this. Inside here, there will be multiple folders, and there will be a folder called htdocs. If everything's present, and then that we're good to go. Also, you just need to search here Xampp, and there will be a control panel, and open it. If it's working, and you have successfully installed Xampp. Now let's go to the next step. The second tool on the list is going to be VS Code that you need to install. VS Code is going to help us read the code and edit it and make modifications as required. So simply type in VS Code and download. You can download for Mac, Windows, Linux as well. I'm just going to download it for Windows. Let it load for a bit. Right, it's down. So download it. We download it. Let's go to the version that you're going to need. You go to yes. So just simply go to WordPress.org and download the latest version of WordPress, whichever that is for you. So just scroll down and download it. I just going to download it for now. Okay. So it's on its way. PDS folder, I have already downloaded, as you can see, Xampp, VS Code, and WordPress. So next you need to install VS Code. It's going to be simple installation as well. I have already installed it. Let me show it to you. VS Code. And so as you can see, I have already installed VS Code, and I'm already working on it. I have both of these, VS Code as well as Xampp. I'll show you. This is Xampp. So let's get into the main part. In this video, I'm simply gonna install basic WordPress, and then in the next video, we will be looking into each files, what are they and how we can edit them and all that. So for that, simply go into your C drive. There you'll find a folder named Xampp. For you, it's going to be Xampp mostly. And then there is going to be a folder htdocs, Xampp and htdocs. Then there's folder. These are all the websites that I have created just for basic projects they were. And now I'm just going to go back inside C drive, Xampp, htdocs, and create a new folder. Name it your website's name. For example, let's call our sample example website test website. Okay. So that's the name of our website mostly. Now simply copy the WordPress file that you downloaded from wordpress.org inside this folder, C drive, then Xampp, then htdocs, and then inside the folder that you just created. I created the folder called test website. Simply go inside it and paste the file right here. Now simply extract this WordPress file inside this folder, test website, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So it created a folder and it has all the extracted files. This is complete. Let it just complete. Now let me bring all these files. Okay. You bring all these files. I'm just gonna cut them and bring them all inside my folder right here. Let me paste them all. Now remember what I just did. I just copied all the files. I just cut all the files from here inside test website, and now I can delete this folder. Also, you can delete this file as well if you want. I'm just going to delete it. Now our basic structure is ready. Now we need to just simply do the installations. For that, you first of all need to run Xampp and search Xampp here and turn it on. Okay. Now you need to, once this panel has opened for you as well, you just need to start two things, Apache and MySQL. Just start them and do the basic installation for here. Now you need to type in here localhost /php myadmin. It will redirect you to the databases. Here you need to create a database for your WordPress website. So just click on new and give a name to your WordPress website's database. I'm going to call it test website. So I'll also copy this for later use and let it create. So it created a database right here, as you can see, test website by the name. Now you just need to type in localhost again and then the name of the folder that you created. For example, I created the folder called test website. So let me just copy this folder's name. Okay. And paste it right here. Localhost / the folder name. So now once it's done, choose a language. I'm going to choose English. Continue. Let's go. Now give the name of the database that you just created. I created the database name test website. Copy this and paste it right here. Next is going to be it's going to be same for everyone. Just call it root and password is going to be nothing. Okay. And keep everything the same. Submit it and run the installation. Now, once the installation has been completed, it's time to put the site title link. I'm just going to put test website and then I'll give it the same username. And I'm going to put some password right here. Let's check. Okay, now confirm weak password and I'm going to put the email address. Let's see, wait for a bit. Okay, great. Now our website has been installed. Just need to log in. Now our WordPress website has been installed and I'll just save it. The next thing you can do is just check out your site and delete anything that is irrelevant. For example, I'm just going to delete the posts, pages and plugins and even themes. They just put extra load. This one trash. I'm just going to quickly delete all of these.
We have deleted extra pages, plugins, and even themes. I'm just going to check out our site. It's just pretty plain, and
so now we're ready to go, and you have everything you need to get started with the WordPress. Lastly, before ending the video, let me go inside VS Store and let's do what we need to do with it. You need to open the folder where that you just created. Go inside C, then go inside Xampp, get rid of Xampp, so htdocs. Lastly is going to be the folder you created. Select this and that's it. Now that you have all the WordPress files, we will be going through each of these files as well. What are they and what are they responsible for as well? I'll try to show you whatever I can in this video. See you in the next one. Take care, bye-bye.